Today I have a microphone, and it's the ELGATO Wave 3. Content creators are well aware of the ELGATO brand, which is currently one of the brands that produce the best equipment for YouTubers and professional content creators. I will bring you about this microphone, the unboxing, demonstrations, tests, comparison with other microphones, reviews and opinions to get to know everything about this microphone. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. You can expect a lot of content produced with this new microphone. During the demo, I noticed one more thing about the USB connector. We know that the USB cable is connected on the back, and the microphone stays like this on the table. But if you want to tilt it, if you want to rotate the microphone to face me, when I try to rotate, it doesn't rotate more than this. Because the position of the USB connector, which is on the lower part, and prevents it from rotating more than this. If I want to rotate to a horizontal position, I have to unplug the USB, then I can turn more, and then reconnect the USB on the microphone. So this is how you rotate the microphone to a 90-degree position. I have to turn it off, so I can rotate it to be in my direction. It is just a small thing to the position of the USB connector on the microphone, which does not allow it to rotate without having to disconnect the cable and turn off the microphone on its own support stand. This was another video about the microphone ELGATO Wave 3, but there will be more videos about this microphone. I will cover everything about this equipment, from the unboxing, seeing what comes in the box, demonstrating how it works, how to connect, audio quality tests, comparisons with other microphones, review and opinion, to get to know everything about this microphone so you can decide if this is the best microphone for you, because the price is high. And in case you haven't noticed, this video is being recorded with the ELGATO Wave 3. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, hit the like button, and if you have any questions about this microphone, write in the comments.